Starting this edition with a big breaking news coming in. Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav has expelled MLA Pooja Pal from the party hours after she praised Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in the House. This is one of the big breaking news that we are tracking, ladies and gentlemen. SP President Akhilesh Yadav has expelled his own party MLA Pooja Pal for allegedly praising Yogi Adityanath in the House. This is one of the big breaking news that we are tracking. There seems to be a lot of infighting in the Samajwadi Party. That is a picture of the MLA Akhilesh Yadav. The SP president has expelled MLA Pooja Pal after she praised Yogi Adityanath in the House. All right, let me cut straight across to Ajay Dubey, who joins me live on this edition. Ajay Dubey, we are getting to know that SP President Akhilesh Yadav has in fact expelled his own party's MLA Pooja Pal from the party hours after she praised Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, in the House. What more are you picking up on this? All right, while we try and reconnect with Ajay back there, viewers, this is the big breaking news that we are tracking. Samajwadi Party chief has acted on the MLA who praised CM Yogi Adityanath and has now expelled the very same MLA. All right, I'm being told that we are joined with Ajay Dubey. Ajay, we are getting to know that Akhilesh Yadav has expelled MLA Pooja after she praised Yogi Adityanath. What are the latest updates that you're picking up? Ajay, if you can hear me.
Whatever happened in the case of Pooja Pal, we need to understand that whatever statement she gave yesterday, it is not just the reason, but she also is one of those MLAs who voted against Samajwadi Party during the Rajya Sabha MP voting. At the time, more than 7 MLAs of Samajwadi Party have voted against Samajwadi Party. Samajwadi Party did not take any step at that time, but few days back they have suspended 3 of their MLAs, and now it's a 4th case. And the statement she gave yesterday, that statement is the main reason behind this action taken by Samajwadi Party. If we look at that letter, this letter is being signed by Akhilesh Yadav, the national president of Samajwadi Party, and because this letter will go to the Sachiv of Vidhan Sabha and to the Speaker of the Vidhan Sabha. So this letter is signed by the Akhilesh Yadav, and he is the national president of Samajwadi Party, and it is very much clear that she is not going to be the part of Samajwadi Party. Apart from that, she will be not participating in any.
से छिपी नहीं है। पूरा सदन जानता है कि उनकी हत्या कैसे हुई थी और किन लोगों ने की थी। मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूं माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को, जिन्होंने मेरे छुपे हुए उन आंसुओं को देखने का काम किया जो वर्षों में किसी ने देखने का काम नहीं किया। मेरा दुख, मेरा तकलीफ माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने देखने का काम किया और सही मायने में मुझे न्याय दिलाने का और देने का काम किया। माननीय अधिष्ठाता महोदय जी, मुझ जैसे पता नहीं कितने प्रयागराज में पीड़ित परिवार को माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने ऐसे अपराधियों को दंड दे करके उनको न्याय दिलाने का काम किया है। और कल शायद मेरी प्रयागराज की जनता मुझे सुनेगी तो वो लोग भी माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को धन्यवाद देने का काम करेंगे पुनः दोबारा। और माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मेरे जैसे पता नहीं कितने महिलाओं की सिंदूर को मिटाया गया, पता नहीं कितने माताओं की गोदी सूनी कर दी गई। मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूं ऐसे मुख्यमंत्री जी का, जिन्होंने जीरो टॉलरेंस ला करके पॉलिसी को ला करके अपना करके अपराध और माफिया अतीक अहमद जैसे अपराधियों को मट्टी में मिलाने का काम। आज प्रयागराज अधिष्ठाता महोदय जी, आज प्रयागराज ही नहीं अपितु पूरा उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता आज माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के तरफ विश्वास की नजर से देखता है कि कोई भी कोई भी माफिया या भूमाफिया हमारे भाई की तरफ, हमारी महिलाओं की तरफ, हमारी बहनों की तरफ बुरी नजर से उठा के देखने का काम करेगा तो उस हर अपराधी को मिट्टी में मिलाने का काम किया जाए।